today what we're going to do is we're going to get this bed ready for springtime growing. Okay? First thing we do is we go in, do the weeding, get everything leveled out, raked in. Okay? And then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, for the purpose of this, I put this plastic cardboard in here. It's going to make it easier for you to see what I'm doing. So, for the first step, we're going to take one layer of dirt from over here on the left, and we're going to pile it on top of the cardboard over here on the right. Okay? Alright, we got this dug down. This is the first layer. You can see over here by using the cardboard, you can see how much it's been dug down. Up here is where I throw the dirt. Now here's where we add in our nutrients. Down here I got a bucket of leaves I'm throwing in. And over here we got a bucket of composted manure. It's got some leaves in it, but it's mostly manure. I got 2 cups of lime. And I got a half a cup of Epsom salts. That's normally about right. Now, this soil, as you can see, it's pretty good, pretty rich. Oh, we even got some worms in here. Okay, so we know that it's pretty good soil. So, we'll move on to the next step. I'll mix everything up here, or put everything here before we put the next layer up. Alright, now we have added the leaves, spread those out, put the composted manure on top of that, and then we put the lime and the Epsom salts. As you can see, it's a pretty good bit if you look over there to the side of the bed. But once it gets all mixed in, everything, over time it'll pack down. Now I'm about to double dig this bed, make another layer down, and just pile that on top of that. Now you may not find it necessary, but it seems to help. I get better yields, better plants. Besides the fact that I've got a lot of oak trees around here, and even though I put barriers in the bottoms of my raised beds, they manage to find roots up in here and rob the plants of their nutrients. So, let me get that done and we'll move on. Alright, we have double dug this. As you can see, it's about a foot down. Also gives you a chance to look at your bed in here and make sure your metal and everything's good. Now what we're going to do is, you can see how much is up here. We are going to drag it back in by slicing it. And by slicing it, I mean we're going to start from the front, pull it in, mix it down in here. Alright? So now we drag everything in, mix it up, and we can start on the other side. Now here's what I'm showing by slicing it. What you're doing is you're working from one end to the other by just shaving it off, pulling it in, and mixing it up. What this does is it creates a really good aerated soil, mixes your nutrients in good, and get a better plant. Now, we got the one side done. Got everything mixed in, somewhat leveled off, but I'm not done yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side, same way as this, and then I'll probably mix it back and forth just to get it mixed in good, level it out, so that it's ready for planting. Now in my next video I'm going to be planting tomatoes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I plant them, mulch them, and how to set up the watering systems for them. I hope you'll tune in for that. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
There's nothing in your belly if you're the working poor. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.